Did you know that every mom has a superpower to calm an overwhelmed brain instantly? Imagine it's a Friday. You've had a really long, stressful week. You are tired and drained. What you would really like to do is have a quiet evening at home to decompress. However, your best friend scheduled her daughter's birthday party that night. It's really the last place you want to be. There will be lots of noise and lots of kids running around. It's way more stimulating than you would prefer on your Friday night. But you're a good friend and your kids really want to go, so you push through. You load up your kids and you go. Your brain is already overstimulated, amped up, and flustered from your week. When you get there, your kids immediately jump into the activities, but you notice that your friend is missing. No one has seen her. You go to the bathroom to look for her, and she is on the floor crying. What do you do in this moment? Take a minute to really imagine yourself there with your friend. Something changes in your body. Maybe you feel it in your heart. You soften. Your heart warms, and you may go kneel down to be next to your friend. Maybe you place your hand on her shoulders. As you imagine this scenario, really pay attention to how your body and brain changes. You came to the party stressed and overwhelmed, but now you are warm and grounded and giving comfort. The state of your mind has changed. This particular power is compassion. Compassion has the ability to shift your brain from a reactive state to a responsive one, from threat to safety. As moms, you use this incredible power for your children, your partner, and your friends. But here's something that you might not have thought of before. The same power of compassion is also available for you. You can use this power towards yourself. Now that you know it's there, with intention, you can begin using it. Imagine you're back in that situation. You've had a hard week. You have plans that you're not looking forward to. You're overwhelmed and your brain is telling you, I can't do this anymore. Instead of criticizing yourself for feeling that way, you pause. You offer yourself the same compassion that you would offer someone you love. In that moment, your brain begins to shift. Your body softens and your mind becomes calmer. That is the power of brain training. You don't have to stay stuck in overwhelm. Compassion is just one of many tools that can help you increase your emotional capacity and stay out of overwhelm. You don't have to stay stuck in overwhelm. Your brain can learn the skills that can help you move out of the overwhelmed state and, with practice, spend more time in a state of calm and contentment. My mission is to help moms train their brains to experience more peace, calm, and joy in motherhood. This channel is here to teach you simple brain-based strategies that you can use every day. If you'd like to keep learning, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you're feeling overwhelmed right now, I have a guided meditation that can help you in this moment. In just a few minutes, you will calm your nervous system, quiet your racing mind, and experience the power of self-compassion for yourself. You can find the link below in the description. Bye for now, take care, and love your brain.